Alright, so we're here.
We're here. I see her little umbrella.
Oh, is it?
Go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right there.
Let's go meet her.
Let's go meet.
And Sultan.
And we see her umbrella right there. Nice. So you know what to tell her? You know what to ask?
A little nervous.
Yeah?
Shy. But yeah, I think I do. Like I'll buy Kimono Mom from her and she'll sign it and I'm okay with that.
Alright, nice.
You make some content?
Yes.
Wow. Yeah, please hug me.
One more. Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you. Are you gonna be in Murakami later or no?
Are you sure? I'm so nervous right now because last time I did a tea ceremony is 10 years ago.
I read your Instagram post.
Yeah.
But you'll do it. I know you can do it.
Oh yeah.
So you're gonna be there later at what
yes,
time?
Yes, we'll be there.
Okay.
Maybe the show starts 3 p.m. 3 p.m.
We're gonna be there.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm
Not to make you nervous, but we're gonna be there.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, I actually have one more question.
Oh yes.
How's America?
Oh, we love here. Yeah, it's so interesting because people from many people from different communities.
Yeah.
And, they live together. They respect each other. That's so interesting.
And you're enjoying van life also?
Oh yes. She's having fun, jumping around the beach. And then also in Florida,
Yeah.
we went to the beach. Yeah,
We
very
used to live in Fort Lauderdale, but we moved here.
Yeah, very calm and nice area.
Yes. And also this area too.
This is much calmer, yeah. Up here, further down south, a little more.
City
Yeah.
life.
Yeah. Here, a little more relaxed. That's why I moved.
I'm glad that you're enjoying your stay.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you.
So much. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Later.
She is so nice. Alright, so
She is so nice. And I saw Sultan. She's so cute.
alright. So we had more content. However, I forgot to press the button. I was more excited than
I think so.
Alright, so we got to meet Moe, Miss Kimono Mom, and also there was Sultan, so very cute. So yeah, they're gonna be in Morikami right now, or in an hour.
Yep.
So maybe I'm gonna watch that one as well. Coffee, man. Coffee. Yeah, let's sleep. Let's go.
And Morikami. Yay, again. It's my second
Museum of Japanese Garden. Nice. We got a ticket.
Yahoo!
So they opened the doors at 10 minutes before.
Okay, 10 minutes before?
Yeah. Alright, we're inside. Ba't naman sa langit mo?
Gusto ko mo siya kita.
Okay. Ha?
Okay to.
Okay na yan?
Okay to.
Alright.
I love her.
I love it. You're right, actually. Yeah. Let's see, go ahead and zoom in. I like it. I like this spot.
Thank you. So before we end, we would love to ask Kimono Mom if she has a message for everyone in the crowd, or if you want to say a few words. Sorry for putting you on the spot.
Finally! Thank you everyone, thank you for coming. And actually, I was so nervous and I was shaking. My hand was shaking, but I'm so happy to be here and to be in Florida. And thank you for welcoming us. And I cannot see Moto and Sutra here.
Hindi niya makita yung anak
No,
mo tsaka kasama niya.
Oh really? Oh yeah. Yeah, because this is my first time in 10 years to do this tea ceremony in front of audience. So I like Susan to see me to try to do, but it's okay. I'm doing it in my abbey tonight. And I learned a lot from you guys today. Thank you so much for spreading Japanese culture very far away from Japan. And thank you so much. And thank you so much for having interested in Japanese culture. I am so honored to be here and yeah.
I'm hungry.
Okay,
I want to eat.
let's go home. I'm gonna cook gyudon using umami sauce.
Okay, let's go.
So we're home now and we're going to make gyudon using Kimono Mom's recipe. And we only need these ingredients: onion, ginger, and her very own umami sauce. So actually, gyudon is very simple, but Kimono Mom made it simpler using her umami sauce. And gyudon is one of my favorite Japanese dishes. So let's peel the ginger. Yeah. One whole onion. Yeah. I'm not a chef, so okay na ba?
Ako din eh. Oo.
Sorry! Lumayo ka na dito. Tapos na siya. Akin na yan.
Okay.
Put onions in. And the ginger. And Kimono Mom said, Ichini-san. Ichini-san. Ta-da! Umami sauce. And I'll turn on the flame. So, it's boiling na. Let's see kung kaya kong mag-chopsticks. Let's see if I can use the big chopsticks to transfer. Oops, no. Sorry, Kimono Mom. Oh my goodness, no. softens, and then you're good. It's boiling. Let's taste it. It's good. It's perfect. It's up to you if you want to add salt and pepper to taste, but I like it this way. Let's eat. Okay, this is it. Our gyudon. So it's served on top of rice, and I just put some garnishes.
It's good.
Eat.
It's good. Alright. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. And the first? Okay. It smells good.
Very good. Nice.
So good.
Good job.
Thank you, babe. It's really good.
Matcha oishi.
Matcha oishi. Thank you, Kimono Mom, for the recipe and for your umami sauce.
Bye.